Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to see another important SQL question. It's also a simple one, but it is sometimes asked in interviews also. Okay, so this is an easy question. The question number is 182, duplicate emails in the lead code. Okay, so here the table name is person table. It has ID column and email column. So ID is the primary key, which means it will not have duplicates and null values. Each row of this table contains an email. So for each ID, one email will be there. The emails will not contain uppercase letters. So all the letters that you have in the email are in lowercase. So now write a solution to report all the duplicate emails. Okay, wherever you have duplicate emails, report that. Note that it's guaranteed that the email field is not null, and they are saying that in email field it will always have not null values. You don't have to worry about nulls and all. Okay, so now we just need to show what are all the emails that are duplicates. So here if you see, ID number 1 and ID number 3 has the same email IDs. That's the reason why we are reporting a@b.com, because it is repeating twice, which means it's a duplicate. So how would I approach this problem is that simplest way is to use group by and having. Okay, so let me show you. Select email from table name is person table. Group by email having count of email greater than 1. Okay, so let me run this. What will happen? Okay, so let's submit. Yes, so let me tell you why I wrote in this way, because first thing you want is the email column. So just wrote select email from which table? From person table, which is clear. Now I am trying to group this by email. Okay, which means what will happen if I have a@b.com, it will get grouped. So all the a@b.coms will be grouped together. This will become one group. Now b@b.com will become one group. Okay, after grouping, so let's say select email from person, group by email. So output will be like this. After grouping, having count of email greater than 1. Now it will start to count. So this count will become 2. This count will become 1. So I'm telling filter the emails where count is greater than 1. So only one case the count is greater than 1 here. So that's the reason why this will come as your output. Yep, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.